Hello everyone, welcome to this product walkthrough. In this product walkthrough, I'll be walking you through how you can get started using Spidra in no time. Spidra is a no-code AI-powered web scraping platform that allows you to extract web data using simple natural language prompts. In order to get started, we will have to sign up. I already have an account, so I won't be signing up. I will just have to log in. Upon login, you get a different dashboard from mine because as a first-time user, your dashboard is going to be a little bit different. So please take note. On my dashboard, I have the total scripts, the total presets, and the total integrations. To begin scraping, you can either click on this big blue button right here, or you go to the playground. The playground is where you perform your web scraping. The first thing to do is to add the target URL. I have a link here with a URL of some React job that I found online. So I'm just going to paste and I'm going to hit enter. In the target URL, you can add multiple URLs to it, but for the sake of this walkthrough, we'll just stick to one URL. The next option is to add an operation. This is the web automation capability of Spidra. You can simulate a click action, a type action, a wait time, a scroll, a check and uncheck action. But for this walkthrough, we would not be using the operations. The next thing is to add the extraction instruction. This is the natural language or the action that you are trying to perform in natural language. All you just have to do is tell it to extract the job postings on this page, and for each job posting, get the job title. Let's say name of the company. I'm having typo. Then the link to the job post. What else? Let's get the price tag. Job price tag. Then finally we can say structure the result as a table. Once you've given the extraction instruction, we can either change the default output from JSON to Markdown, but I'm just going to stick with Markdown. Then I'm going to trigger the stealth mode, which means we want Spidra to activate proxies in case there are captchas or dumps that are on the website. After clicking on that, then I click on the start scraping. Then Spidra begins to perform its magic by opening the URL, going through the entire data that is on the website, and it begins to extract this data based on the extraction instruction that we've given to it. It's going to come out by extracting the job title, the name of the company, the link to the job post, and also it's going to extract the job price tag. And as you can see, on the right side, we have our output ready. You can see it's in a table format. As we've instructed it, you can make it bigger by clicking on this. This is it. So we have the job title, we have the company, we have the link, and we have the job price tag. You can choose to download it by clicking on this download button. I wouldn't be doing that. You can also get a screenshot of what the page looks like by clicking on the screenshot. Scrolling down, you have a snapshot of the website that you just scraped. Moving on, we can save this as a preset in case we would like to reuse this configuration later in the future. What is a preset? A preset is a powerful feature in Spidra that allows you to save reusable scraping configurations, such as the target URL, your operations, if any, the extraction instruction, and the output, which is this. So to save this as a preset, all you have to do is click on the save as preset, then give it a name. Let's just give it a name. Let's say demo preset. Then we can just tell give the preset of scraping job posting for personal use. let's just let's just give it that. Then click on save. It's going to save, and you click on the preset tab here. Then you are going to see all your presets. Oh, I saved it twice. I'm just going to delete one. All right. So you see all the presets that you've created right here. I have several presets that I've created. So this is the preset we just created, and you can see we have the fave icon of the website we went to. You can click on the loading playground. If you click on loading playground, it brings you back to the playground where you can see your target URL, your instruction, and all your configurations ready, right? Going back to the preset, you can also choose to edit it. You can choose to edit your preset, the name and everything. Like I did earlier, I deleted the preset, so you can also delete a preset, right? But from here, we can choose to perform an integration. By clicking on this integrations button, we can integrate with our preferred platform. But I'll be taking a different approach by going to the integrations tab and clicking on it. Then you get to see all the integrations that you have, right? I have this integration which is not running right now. I disabled it, right? So I'm just going to create a new integration. You can create an integration from here, but I'm definitely using this method. You can choose anyone works. So coming to the integrations tab, I'll click on the add integration. This gives you a full overview of all the presets that are on your account. The latest preset I created just now is this demo preset, right? I just selected it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my integration type. Currently, we have access to Slack, Discord, webbook, and email. The Telegram is coming soon, so please stay tuned. I will be using Discord. You can use email, anyone that works for you, but I'll be using Discord. Clicking on Discord, then I click on next. The next thing it's going to ask me is to provide the webbook URL. In order to get the webbook URL, you will have to come to your Discord account, which is your server that you created yourself. I have this running right now. So beside where you want to get your data, there's this gear icon right here. If you zoom in, you see this gear icon. So clicking on it, you go to integrations, then you see webbook. You can click a new webbook. I already have a webbook which I named Spidra Alert. I'm just going to copy the webbook URL. Then I'm going to come back, paste this inside the webbook URL. I can choose to send as file attachment, and I can choose to toggle Smart Alert. So basically what Smart Alert is doing is it's going to be sending you the data, but it's going to be showing you the difference in between the previous data and the new data that is coming in, right? More information on this are on our website, our documentation. So please check out our documentation to learn more about Smart Alert. So I'll click on next. Then it will ask me to schedule the integration. If I want it daily, weekly, or monthly. Of course, I'm going to go with daily because I need to show you something right away. Then I'm going to select the time. The time right now is 9:33. I'm just going to go ahead and choose 9:34. Then I'm going to use the custom time zone, which is Africa, Lagos. I click on next. I give the integration name. Let's say demo alert. I'm going to create next. So the integration is here, demo alert. It is connected to the demo preset, which is this, as you can see. It is an integration type of Discord. It is active. The last run is not yet available. The next run is 6th of November, and it's scheduled to run at 9:34 every day. As you can see, it is active. So coming back to Discord, let me reload. And let's wait for it. So I can choose to test it out immediately. So it has been queued. And as you can see, the job postings are here on Discord, and it was presented in Markdown, right? So this is it. You can also choose to download it from here. It's that simple and it's that easy. And all this is made possible just by using Spidra. Managing your integrations is also as easy as it comes. You can manage your integrations by enabling and disabling them. You can choose to view the logs, which you find here. As you can see, this is information about our integration logs. And you can choose to edit it, and you can also choose to delete it. As you can see, it is active. If I toggle this, it is inactive, right? The last run was on 5th of November. Then the next run is on 6th of November, as you can see, which means it's going to run again by November 6th, 9:34 a.m. But I have disabled it right now, so it won't be running. But if I enable it back, it will run again on the 6th of November. For all the actions that you perform on Spidra, you can trace everything right here on the logs. And in the logs, you can see the status, the channel, the tokens used, and the duration. So let's take a look at one of the logs. Clicking on the view logs, you see the URL, you see the log ID, you see the status, you see the channel that was used, the integration, playground rather, the latency, the extraction prompt, and the response. You can choose to open it in playground, and as you can see, you have all your data, which is your target URL, your extraction instruction, and your output. So thank you very much, and I hope you've been able to learn more about Spidra. Please, if you have any more questions or anything that you would like to learn, please go to our documentations page. Our documentations page is packed with several information for you to actually learn and understand more about us. And if you are still confused and need help, please kindly reach out to us at hello@spidra.io. Thank you very much.